Guys, I'm Tom.
Vickie.
We're at the Carolina Travel Channel, and we just finished right here. We just finished at Graham Soda Shop here in Graham, North Carolina. So stick around, we'll get the video up. We're going to check out some of these other stores here in downtown Graham, and so thanks a lot for joining us.
Thank you. I have racked my brain.
What? Oh no, you didn't.
I have been
Yeah, that's pretty cool. Made it here to Graham Soda Shop in Graham, North Carolina. We're going to try this place out. This is pretty neat. Check it out. What do you think, dude?
That's nice.
Taking me back a few years. This is a Velveeta burger. Looks pretty good. Vickie said she was getting a cheeseburger, and she got her one. Okay, we're gonna try these tater tots right here, and this ranch dressing. Yep. Those are good. I wonder if that ranch is homemade. That is good. Oh, yeah. Velveeta, baby.